Hi there, my RPG is better than yours cosplay here, aka Shinto Setra. As you can see, I made a Luna Noah, or Luna from Lunar Silver Star cosplay, and I'm very proud of how this came out. But there's just one problem. I'm not wearing any makeup. Thankfully, this is a makeup tutorial for Luna as requested by Bonk Bunny. So, yeah, let's get started. I'll show you what makeup I'm going to use. And thank you for requesting this, Bonk Bunny. So first off, I have a Real Techniques makeup sponge. This thing is very useful for applying blush and concealer. Speaking of blush and concealer, I use Lancome Teint Idole Ultra Wear Camouflage. That's the first layer, and on top of that, I use Pro Conceal LA Girl High Definition Concealer. So I use the Lancome first because as a cross player, and for the record, I shave every day, it is hard to get it 100, even still, you can still see some 5 o'clock shadow. So what I do is I use this first, because this is an orangey tint, and I believe on the color wheel, 5 o'clock shadow is a very dark blue. So I do this, so orange and blue are opposites, ironically, the hair and the hair ornaments. So I put this on first to give it more, to counteract the 5 o'clock shadow, and then I put the LA Girl over that to give it more flesh tone. And on top of that, I have an e.l.f. Kabuki brush and e.l.f. Putty Blush, a bright pink color. And yeah, that's the final layer on top of my skin to really hide all the imperfections. Next up, I have Revlon Cream 778. It's a pink color. My philosophy on lipstick is pink is cutesy, innocent, girly, red is sexy, and black is goth sexy. So between Luna, who I use pink for, the ancient version of Althena, the statue version, is red, and Dark Althena, of course, was black. She encompasses all three aspects of, I don't know, femininity. I don't know. What I'm trying to say is but we'll be using pink today, of course. Now for the eyes, Miss Manga Voluminous Concealer. These have been out of production for a while now. I bought up a huge stock pre-COVID, and I'm just running out of them now. So I will need to buy something new eventually, but for now I got a few of these left. NYX Epic Wear Waterproof Eyeliner. These don't smudge, which I really like, but they are like semi-permanent. So just be sure to have some makeup remover, which I will display in a second. Otherwise, you will spend hours scrubbing these off. Or you could just kind of wear them for the next day. I've done that occasionally. Yeah, makeup remover. Any brand is fine. Just get a bottle of makeup remover and a brush. And to apply the makeup remover, just be careful how you apply it. And finally, I have Maybelline Color Tattoo 24 Eye Sticks 70 I Am Extravagant. It's a blue, I use it for my eyebrows to color them blue. All right, let's get started. Oh, a few more things before we begin. Okay, so first off, make sure you wash your face. I already did off camera. For the sponge, make sure that you wet the sponge. It won't work if it's dry. You may have to re-wet it. And the Lancome concealer I mentioned, that's actually also out of production. All right, let's go. what a difference that made. Maybe I went a little too far with the Egyptian eyeliner, but I love the Waja eye. So yeah, here I am in my Luna makeup. La 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 la. Thanks for watching.